big truck, tall suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes, solder and glass pack, straight pipes, y'all know. Mud digger, if y'all don't know how the mud digging goes, and get a couple of tickets to a mud bogging show.
Hot damn, it's your boy Colt Ford on this bitch, in a Rocky Ridge lift, nuts hanging from my hitch. I'm sitting about 5 feet from the concrete, hitting Mickey Thompson's roar when I'm coming down the street. You can keep your 24s, cause we got 44s, magnums and tires, whatever